Okay, I'm going to attempt to give you guys a apartment tour. I know that this is a long time coming and I've been mentioning that I wanted to do one for a long time, but I figured I would include it sometime during the 12 days of Christmas. I'll give you guys a little tour, and also I thought it was kind of nice because all my Christmas decorations are up. I hope you guys enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Okay, so basically when you walk in, this is like the foyer spot. There's my shoes. It's the kitchen, which I'll go through in a second, and there's us. There's the first sign of Christmas. My decoration in there. So this is the kitchen, and this door actually shuts. Like this door here will shut. I never have it shut because I don't know. So maybe I'll take you through the kitchen first. Okay, you're gonna have to excuse the messy kitchen. My kitchen is like, I don't know, I cannot get it clean. It's a pretty big kitchen. Like I'd say it's fairly decent size. The cupboards are really old. Like they're the original cupboards, and this building was built in 1973, so very, very old, but whatever. Like I think if I were to sell this place, I would want to redo the kitchen because the cabinets are all like crazy old. But then the appliances are pretty new and it's pretty spacious, so I can like do a ton of things in here. Lots of cupboard space and counter area. Also, I just want to show you guys this. So do you see this little guy right here? This is actually an egg holder, and it's a funny story. My sister's boyfriend had a party last Christmas. I don't know, I do this weird thing where when I see something I like, I'll sometimes just like randomly ask the owner if I can have it just to see what they'll say. Like I don't think I'm actually gonna get it, but sometimes you can catch them by surprise. I'm not gonna actually take it from them, but anyways, I did it to this guy. I was like, ooh, I like that eagle, can I have it? And he was like, no. Actually gave it to me last Christmas. I had an egg in it this morning. I don't know, I love it. Also my TARDIS mug and just some other decorations. My friend made this for me. It's so cute, I love it. That is the kitchen, and then when you keep walking through, I redid these floors when I moved in. It used to have this like carpet. My uncle helped me like redo all the floors, which was really nice. That's my dining room table. I really like the chairs. And funny thing, the wall in my living room used to be orange and I painted it, so the orange chair matched the orange wall, but I got rid of that wall. Still like the kind of pastel-y muted theme of the dining room. That is my view. You guys can see a little bit. I don't want to show you too much. Those are my Christmas decorations, by the way. I put those all up myself. Oh, and there's my tree. This is my Charlie Brown tree. I love him. Okay, so then this is the living room. I'll show it from the other angle as well. I'll show you guys from walking in through the front door, but this is the living room, and that's the wall that used to be orange, and I painted it. Well, my friend helped me paint it actually, and we painted it black, which is great. I love it. There's my bookshelf. It has a ton of books on it, but also hidden by the tree. And there's some paintings of San Francisco that I really like because it's my favorite city. Again, back deck, view. Here is my couch, comfiest couch. I love this couch so much. Oh yes, and there's a mess underneath there, whatever. Oh, and I bought those new pillows as well. I bought them from Superstore and I thought they were perfect for Christmas. And this side is like technically where you would put the TV, but I just have this china cabinet and a bunch of plants. By the way, I should tell you guys that I love plants. Plants are my favorite thing. Like I didn't think I would like plants as much, but as soon as I moved out, I was like, plants, I want plants everywhere. I have a lot of them and they're all real. I don't have any fake plants. So I like this little corner actually. I thought it looked kind of cute. Yeah, I don't know. I thought this was kind of like a cute corner. So that's the living room. That's actually my grandpa's chessboard, and I never really have anyone to play with. So it kind of sits there unless somebody comes over that can actually play chess with me. I love chess. It's one of my favorite games. These are supposed to have candles in it. My mom gave them to me. It's like a little German thing, but I don't have the candles for it yet. There's my Monstera, and it is a monster. This thing grew so big. I don't even know what to do with it. Like I think it looks unhealthy because it's so big. The previous owner actually gave that to me. She left it here, which was really nice because it's beautiful. And this little stool my friend Whitney gave me, I love it, but I don't really know where to put it, but I do love it. And that's the living room. I'll show you the angle from when you walk in through the front door. This is the foyer with the shoes, my wreath, and then this would be the living room when you walk in. Okay, so then if you were to walk in this direction, you'd get to like the desk and workspace area. Oh, those right there are IKEA shelves that I have not put up because all the places where I want to put them, it's cement walls and I can't get the screws to stick in the cement. So I have to figure out where to put those shelves. This is my like desk area. That painting, my sister gave it to me last Christmas and I think it looks beautiful there. I used to have a plant on this little section, but I moved it and I put Christmas decorations there. I know the lights kind of look funny, but I did the best I could. This white rug is also from IKEA. All this furniture here is from IKEA. The dining table, the couch, that armchair that I had in the living room, those are all from the brick, but this section is pretty much all IKEA. This lovely thing here. Oh, this is one of my favorite plants. I love this guy. I got it from the garden at a care home that I was volunteering with, and then the lady gave me a plant to take home, which was very nice. This is November, but it should be December now. That calendar is from Chapters. That's where it's from, Chapters. That painting is from Jisk. It was really cheap, but I thought it looked kind of nice in this area. If you walk this way, you're gonna hit the bathroom. It's actually a pretty spacious bathroom. The light died, so I don't have a full lighting in here right now, but it's pretty big, I think. It's messy, so I don't want to show you guys too much of it. Those are the brushes that I need to wash. That's the bathroom. Super exciting, fun stuff, bye. Even more exciting is my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. Again, the floors, we redid all of them because this was all carpet. It's not like the biggest bedroom, but I think it's mostly because the bed is so big that it makes it smaller. My bed is ginormous. It's tall because of the 2 levels of drawers on the bottom, but also the mattress is huge. It's just a huge bed. Everyone comments on how high it is. Okay, that's a baby photo. Don't look at it. I don't know why I have that there. It's me. I don't know why it's there. I don't know what that wire's for. I kind of want to do something with this. I don't really have a lot of stuff on it yet, and I just put that plant there. That plant used to be where those Christmas decorations are by my desk, so I moved it into here. Hopefully it survives. A crooked lamp shade didn't really fit the lamp. Also right there, probably gonna put a painting of some sort. That's the other thing, like I don't have any prints or artwork at all in my house. Like I need to get some because I feel like all this blank space could be, you know, a little bit more decorative, and I love art, so I kind of want to get more art in there. And then this is the area that you guys see when I film. This is my desk space. I'll have this in the background, so it's not super exciting because you've seen it many times, but look at this beautiful window and this beautiful, beautiful view. I love my views in this place. I think it's the best thing about living here for sure. That calendar also needs to switch. Oh my god, I'm so bad at it. Okay, and this area needs work. This drawer is where I currently store all my makeup. I space it out because I don't know how strong the drawers are. I know this looks really big and like, why do you have so much makeup? But it's not filled to the brim with makeup. It's just spread out through all the drawers. And the top is where I need to do some work. I think a mirror there would be really nice, or a plant of some sort, but right now it's just storage area and it's very messy, so I don't want to show you guys that. Also, this whole room is just like mirrors all over, like the whole cupboards and stuff are mirrors. I don't know if I like that. I think it's a little bit too much. I would prefer not having all these mirrors, but it does make the room look bigger, I guess. So that's an overview of my bedroom. I really love it. I honestly love my place so much. I can't believe it's taking me this long to show you guys. Another mirror. That one just has, this cupboard just has, I don't know, stuff in it. Here's another view of the desk area, and then this area here, and the living room. That is pretty much it. I'm really waiting for this plant to grow like all the way up. That is everything. That is the, oh, see, another like wall of mirrors. Like everything in this place is just mirrors. It's kind of weird. So that is my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour, and I hope you're enjoying the 12 days of Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.